Okay, today we're unboxing the Sametop handlebar mount. So this is meant for the handlebars on bikes, specifically mountain biking, but I plan to use this for my road bike or gravel bike, or even my fat bike. So I have one of these already from like one of those 36 different action camera mounts. And it was really cheap and it already broke. So this I'm hoping is much higher quality and will last longer. So let's unbox this and see what it's like. So yeah, basically this clamps around your handlebar, and then you can take this piece out, and that'd be for the biggest one. So I'm gonna put this on my bike and see, because my handlebars are pretty wide, pretty thick. A cool feature about this is that you can spin it around on your bike, because I like to talk into the camera while I'm riding and not have to hold it, but also I want to be filming what's in front of me. So this you could basically tighten and loosen it. So then you'd loosen it and you'd spin the camera around and tighten it back. So a pretty cool feature. If you have a small handlebar, I don't know who would have this one this thin, but anyway, they have the attachment. Another thing you could do is put this around the seat post, and that way you could film someone riding behind you. It'd be a head-on shot of someone mountain biking behind you. So that's pretty cool. Just a different angle. To make your videos more interesting, it's good to have a variety of angles. So I'm gonna attach the camera and we'll see. Okay. So it fits a lot of different GoPro models. Yeah, basically you would put that on. And like I said, you'd loosen it like this, spin around towards yourself. You talk to talking to the camera while you're riding, and just spin it around. So a pretty cool feature. So let's go test this out on the bike, see how it works. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the bike. Like I said, it looks pretty easy. Under the brake cable, and it does fit. If you have a smaller handlebar, then you could put in this piece. I think most handlebars on newer bikes are going to be pretty wide. So yeah, like that. Then like I said, just rotate to the left. This swings around, tighten it back, and you can have a different perspective there. It's pretty easy. And then we'll try it on the back seat post. So I don't have a round back seat post, so that's not going to work on this. On my mountain bike, it does have a round one, so it will fit on the back of my mountain bike. So you can see the weird type of seat post this is. It's not round. But again, this isn't really made for road bikes. So on my mountain bike, it's round. So this is what it looks like. So that's gonna film the front of somebody riding, which is a pretty cool perspective. So that's a pretty awesome option to have. So I've got the handlebar mount, my GoPro hooked up here. Let's see how it looks. And that's the view turned around. So pretty cool functionality.
good quality.